Caltrain is a moving payment system. Please have your ticket, clipper card, or mobile phone ready for inspection. Failure to comply will result in a $75 administrative citation.
And the thing is, I have a lot of vacation bills up. So whenever I put in for a thing, thank you for inviting me. I mean, I've never.
We're always going.
Something else happened.
I didn't know. But that was kind of cool. Because I would have just been sitting home with buckets of water.
Broadway. Please use the 6 northernmost cars to exit the train. Use caution when exiting.
It's unacceptable. They have to.
That's what he said.
Well, you're going to have water today, George. And you wait till this one time and go, okay, as long as it's done today, we're awesome in a hotel. He goes, we'll have water today. Yeah. And I told him, can you go out and buy a water heater from some people and have them install it today? Because we're going to have an inspector sit down and get it done. So I told Benny, call him back, tell him this and that. Well, you know what? I know. And I'm trying to get Benny to step.
Caltrain. Millville Transit Center. Your connection to BART, Caltrain, and San Francisco International Airport.
So I went out there and I was also playing. Oh, well, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, tomorrow we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. Okay, that's what I want to do. You want to step up. And I told him, text him, tell him, buy one today. He wouldn't do it, so I did. And then all of a sudden, we got numbers.